How are we doing, guys? It's Joe from Jordan Bikes. Today I've got for sale this little beauty. It's a Yamaha Tracer 900 GT, 3 cylinders, 900cc, and they're just a weapon. Really good handling bike, sound pretty fruity as well. They're a good seller. So this one's a 2018 on an 18 plate. Was registered, I think, in August 18, so it's not even a year old yet. Cracking bikes. This one's obviously finished off in matte blue. Looks really, really well. Standard. They come with adjustable traction, ABS, a couple of different power modes, heated grips as standard as well. This being the GT, it comes with a centre stand, quickshifter, it's got the 2-piece colour-coded luggage and the Givi top box. Got LED lights as well, cruise control, and like I said, they're a proper cracking bike. When the camera comes over, we'll show you these new ones come with a full colour TFT dash, just like you get on the R1. So like I said, proper nice bike, only 3,336 miles. They just look cracking, really good to ride, pretty nippy, and they handle really well as well. Anyway, let's give this 3-cylinder beast a start. And there she is, you can just see the LED lights there. Cracking bike, perfect for commuting about on, having a blast on a weekend, or actually doing some miles on. So if you want to get yourself down at Jordan Bikes, just give us a call. Thank you very much.
Hi, I'm Nick and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.